Koda's here for his birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. Thanks.
My birthday gift to him is to work on my car. Just so happened the car broke when Koda was driving it. So, not saying it was his fault or anything. But, yeah, we're gonna try and get this thing ready so we can go drift next week. His car's gonna be done too. So, I'm gonna pull this trans. I'm pretty sure the input shaft is snapped clean. We'll find out in about 20 minutes. Shaft out. Next trans.
Easy.
What did you do?
I just made snap-on trash.
No, you snapped. You snapped the snap-on. Exhaust.
How's it going?
Got the exhaust off, the drive shaft off. Now we're just gonna pull the trans right now. So we're pretty much there. Pro tip. Koda said to get every single extension we have. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have more? 8. What is that? Dude, that thing's looking sick. Definitely not the trans. The trans is, I don't know, it could be the trans still, Koda. We're gonna take off the clutch right now and see.
So hard.
Alright, moment of truth. If it's the clutch or it's the, oh my gosh.
It is gone.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Wait, flip it over? Flip it. Nothing! Oh my gosh. Yeah. Dude, oh my god. I've never seen a clutch that bad.
Me either.
This was a brand new clutch. So the clutch wasn't seized, the clutch just melted.
Clutch just disappeared.
Well, good thing I got one of these. Ah! I got me an extra one. But there's not much meat left on this.
Better than this. There's some meat on there.
Should I use it? I might as well, right? So what, man? Are we calling it a night? Good morning. I just woke up. It's really early out. Feels like 6 in the morning. It's probably like 9. Jordan's probably not gonna come because he never comes on these little short trips with me. But I gotta go drive to Santa Ana to go drop off these wheels, the polish, and gonna go hit up VR Wheels and finally get these Minervas built. Alright, that should be good. 17-inch faces under 18-inch wheels. Works out perfectly. Alright, we just pulled up. New Year metal, new wheels. Psych. I just picked these up the other day. Matching for these ones I got in AZ, so we're gonna get them polished. Where's who? Why is he asking where's Donald? That's your girl.
Where's my child?
Leah went to South Coast Plaza. I had to drop her off because she wanted to go shopping while we were doing our guy things. Because she don't like doing this kind of stuff with us. What is this?
It's your beat food, fool.
Dude, B-roll. Jordan, this is the B-roll. Use it. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Did you have fun?
Yes. First time shopping in 5 months.
COVID shopping, South Coast Plaza. Just pulled up to VR, and man, this thing is super clean.
Camera.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Good, good.
All
This
right.
is Phil, everyone.
That'll be our wheels.
Phil's been building my wheels. That rhymes for a while now. All right, so basically we're gonna fix this guy.
Okay, just new lip on this one.
Yes, sir. And then I think it's a 5-inch lip, and then lips and barrels for the Minervas.
Cool.
This is Jack's Graveyard. It's a perfectly good GTR. R33, another R32, SC. Oh, this thing's pretty mint condition, dude.
You can see all the
Jeez.
Japan spec, you know, like gusseting and stuff like there. I think
Oh,
this car
this
used to
is
be a drag
tight.
car. I think this car had this like,
Ah, poor GTR. Just have 3 rotting GTRs. Oh, no way. You got the DDR over here? Where's the pad, dude? Let's get down. This is the outro.
like, click, subscribe, bam.
Oh.
I don't know.
All right, Phil, appreciate you, dog.
Alright, take care.
I'll see you soon, buddy. Alright, so I was gonna end the vlog right there, but Martin found me a clutch. So, it looks like I'm gonna be going to the event on Sunday. I guess I'll just bring you guys with me. We're gonna go grab this clutch and head back home. Don't you love it when you leave the house and your phone is dead? You don't have directions anymore? Yeah. It's me. It's great. Love it. Alright, pulling up to Jim Wolf right now. Shout out Jim Wolf coming through, and Martin for sourcing me this Nismo Copper Mix clutch. Last stop of 5523 Motorsports. We'll grab this flywheel real quick. What's up?
I just saw that in the video, dude.
You're editing the video? Some editceptioning in?
Oh, spoiler.
Stop that! Thank you, Nick. At 5523 Motorsports, man. Nick always saves my life. These last minute things I need. Also, Martin, thank you for getting me this clutch. I need a. Shout out Jim Wolf. Thank you guys. Time to get to work. See you guys tomorrow.